One of the most powerful parts of Nimbus Maps Elite is the filters section. So having set up a search on the map as usual, if you toggle on the left-hand side where it says filters, you're presented with this box here. Now, the way this works is, firstly, I can set a radius. If I want to search in a broader area than I'm defaulted to for that 250 meter radius, if I want to search out a broad distance from that, I can do that here. I can also then display parts of the map. I can change the way in which the map here is displayed. So I can toggle on my leasehold pins, I can display planning as a yellow overlay, I can remove the unregistered land, display the unregistered land, and I can remove or display the availability. And as we then go down through the next section of the filters, we can then start to filter by property size. So actually, if I want to go and see all the properties that are half an acre plus in the map, I can then click update, and the platform then will adjust itself and just show me those properties that are big enough for what I'm interested in. I can do the same with the building footprint in square meters, so I can say, well, actually only show me those properties that are maybe up to, I don't know, 2,000 square meters, something like that, 20,000 square feet on the ground floor. This is the building footprint, the ground floor gross external building footprint area that we're searching for there. But in addition to that, we have some very interesting uses down here. So what I can do with these two sections here is I can search for specific types of buildings. So I can search for those buildings that are industrial buildings and office buildings, for example. When I click update, the platform goes off and it redraws the map in the same location that it was before, but it just shows me those properties that have that use associated with them. So anything in the map at the moment has the office or industrial uses that sit on those properties. And that's what it's showing us down here. So in the rates assessment down here, we'll see that office and industrial uses down here. Now, what that allows us to do is to search for non-conforming uses. So we can look for those industrial office buildings that have those permitted development rights to go and redevelopment. Obviously, in the industrial case, I can use the building footprint down here to show me the stuff that's up to 500 square meters where those PD rights apply. In addition to that, the final section at the bottom of this section here has a sales date filter, and where we then use that, we can set that to say middle of 2016 and click update. Once again, the platform filters out everything in the map that hasn't had a sale within that date that I've set. So the filter just removes everything out of the map apart from the stuff that I've asked it to display. And what we can then see on here is those properties that then have sold during that period of time. Now, a new feature into the map is that, so in effect, that's kind of showing us where those sales are and kind of where that date in the sale prices has matched the date that we're looking at. A new feature in Nimbus Maps Elite is then the exports, where I can then export that price paid data, put that into Excel, and then see all the properties that have sold within that search area in Excel, where I can then go and start to build a set of comps from it. All very quick and very simple in Nimbus Maps Elite.